Summit 2026 in New Delhi. Let's go. One of the biggest AI events globally, where tech giants like Sam Altman, Sundar Pichai and Dario Amodei are coming and we get to see them live. The summit had over 1.5 lakh plus attendees, over 100 countries represented, and founders and CXOs of some of the top companies were here, all under one roof. As soon as we enter, we have Hall 1, which is the Convergence Arena, Hall 2 to 5, which cover Governance and Impact Arena, Hall 14, which is the Global Arena, and Hall 6, which is the Innovation Arena, where all the startups and institutes building an AI for education are present. We also have our stall here, and I'm so excited that Scalar School of Technology has sent me and my batchmates here, where we will get to interact and meet with some of the biggest people in the tech field. We are also pitching our own AI startups here, trying to contribute to the future of AI in India as much as possible. So firstly, let's explore all these stalls. I'm standing in front of Google's stall, and they are working on AI for agriculture to help farmers with smarter crop insights, AI for healthcare to assist doctors and improve diagnosis, and real-time translation technology that connects Indian languages to global languages instantly. And right beside me, there's an actual cricket turf where Google is showcasing AI-powered cricket analysis and acting like a virtual coach in real time. This is the perfect example of how AI is moving from theory to real-world experiences, and this is just the start. So we are currently at the Airtel stall, and we are trying to build a safe network. It's a network which detects AI-led spams or it detects fraud. So whenever there's a fishy link that you receive on your SMS, it blocks it at its source. So this is what they're trying to build under the safe network space. So right now we are at Sarvam AI.
Bengaluru-based startup
Sarvam AI.
Sarvam AI.
Sarvam AI is
Sarvam AI.
Which is building foundational AI models focused on Indian languages and real-world use cases. So I just read on the display that Yanni AI is India's first speech-to-speech model, and that's super interesting. So we are at their stall right now, and let's go explore and know more about this. I just want to know more about the product and what problem is it trying to solve.
Yanni is the conversational AI company. So we are into the voice bots, chat bots, speech analytics. Anywhere where you want to communicate with the customer, we can help you, and our bot can be in place in order to communicate. So it could be for the inbound or for the outbound. Irrespective of the use cases you see, we can help you.
I'm at Meta stall right now, and this doesn't even feel like a normal booth. They are showing how AI is changing content creation, from generating images and videos instantly to making social media more personalized and smarter. They have literally set it up like a mini theater where you can sit and experience everything live. It's not just them explaining AI, you actually get to feel and see how AI works. Let's actually see what our college students are building and showcasing at the AI Summit.
So recently we won the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow competition and got a 25 lakh rupees grant out of 40,000 teams. There are multiple smart glasses for partially visually impaired people, but there is not one dedicated to completely blind individuals. That is what we are making. We are building Perceive, which is smart glasses for completely blind individuals, which helps them perceive their surrounding using audio cues and haptic feedback. It helps them create a 3D visual map of the surrounding to help them navigate from one place to another without any external assistance.
And some of our faculty even got invited to be on national television to discuss the future of AI. We also have Manmeet sir here with us, so let's hear from him.
What is Scalar School of Technology doing in AI Impact Summit 2022?
Okay, so the AI Impact Summit is like a perfect platform for us to showcase not just curriculum. Of course, the curriculum is happening in the classroom, but students are actually building startups as part of the Innovation Lab. It tells the ecosystem. There have been leaders from Google, there have been leaders from other AI startups which are coming and checking them out. The other Innovation Lab startups, for example, XSpecies, which is run by Srikanth, who is masters from Stanford, and is building India's first humanoid robot.
We are X Species AI, so we are building the physical intelligence, which is the next generation of technology that needs to bridge the gap between what a robot can do in a warehouse versus what it does currently. We have had a great experience working at Scalar, ranging from having our own office space where we are comfortably able to build and set up this ecosystem of building the humanoid robots. So it's been a tremendous experience working at Scalar.
Now coming back to Jio, because what it is doing here is on a completely different level. They have created this immersive theatre-style experience where they are showcasing AI-powered storytelling, including epic scenes inspired by Mahabharata. It's not just a video playing on a screen. It feels cinematic, almost like stepping into a digital mythological world created with AI. And then you come to Tata stall, and this is where you really see AI at scale. They are showing how it's already been used in healthcare, manufacturing and digital infrastructure, not as ideas but real systems. You can see demos of AI predicting issues before they even happen and optimizing massive operations. This is not flashy like some of the other stalls, but they're actually building real-world large-scale AI systems. Now there are over 400 booths, so I can't show everything in this video. But what we cannot miss is OpenAI stall, and this one is actually really fun. You can literally just walk up and try everything. Talk to the model, give it prompts and generate images and videos, and it responds instantly. We are going to get our photo printed. I got the photo in the Bollywood style. They even have these little interactive zones where people are just experimenting and seeing what AI comes up with. It doesn't feel like they're explaining it to you, you're just using it. If I'm being honest, the last 5 days have been unreal. I thought I knew a lot about AI before coming here, but walking through these stalls, listening to the talks and speaking to founders has made me realize how AI is so ahead of its time, how it is already transforming healthcare, agriculture, finance and massive industrial systems.
मैं जिम्मेवारी के साथ कहता हूं, गर्व के साथ कहता हूं, हमें भय नहीं, भारत को एआई में भाग्य दिखता है, भारत को एआई में भविष्य दिखता है.
Google is establishing a full-stack AI hub, part of our $15 billion infrastructure investment in India.
Jio, together with Reliance, will invest 10 lakh crores over the next 7 years, starting this year.
The chairman of the Adani Group will invest $100 billion to build a sovereign, green energy-powered AI infrastructure platform for the nation.
I learned that building with AI isn't just about using the right chatbots. It's about solving real problems, understanding systems, and thinking long-term. And at 19, getting to see that bigger picture this early, understanding what these big companies and startups are up to, and learning from them up close, that's something I could have not learned anywhere else. And I'm just really grateful that I got to experience this at the India AI Impact Summit 2026, thanks to my college, Scalar School of Technology. If there's one thing that I can say from this experience, is that the future looks really promising, and I'm all in for this ride.